5 self-love lessons I wish I knew sooner. If I could travel back in time, I would sit with my younger self and share these 5 profound truths about self-love. These lessons, learned through years of struggle and growth, would have saved her so much heartache and allowed her to bloom much sooner. Love is not something you find outside. It's something you cultivate within. I spent years seeking validation and love from others, believing it would complete me. The truth is, the love you crave is a love you must first learn to give yourself. It's the unwavering commitment to be your own staunchest ally, your own kindest friend, and your own safest harbor, especially when life gets stormy. Your worth is inherent, not earned. I wish I had known earlier that my value was not tied to my grades, my accomplishments, or the approval of others. Your worth is unconditional and absolute simply because you exist. It resides in your unique spirit, your experiences, and the very essence of who you are. It cannot be increased by success or diminished by failure. You have the right to take up space and use your voice. I used to shrink myself, terrified of speaking up, setting boundaries, or expressing my true needs. The truth is, your perspective is valid, and your needs matter. Honoring yourself means having the courage to be seen and heard, even if it makes others uncomfortable. This is a radical act of self-respect. Release perfectionism. Mistakes are your greatest mentors. I was paralyzed by a fear of failure, believing that any mistake was a reflection of my inadequacy. I wish I knew that mistakes are not indictments, but invitations to learn and grow. They are essential stepping stones on the path to wisdom and mastery. You are lovable and worthy through it all, not in spite of your imperfections, but because of your courage to try. You are the curator of the voice in your head. For years, I believed the harsh inner critic was the real me. I didn't realize that I had the power to change that voice. Learning to consciously replace self-criticism with self-compassion is the most transformative work you will ever do. When you become your own inner champion, your entire reality shifts.